All right. So one of you wanted to know, how do you get her to fall in love with you? Right. Listen. The best way to get her to fall in love with you, yeah, is to improve your listening skills. Because women love to talk, but don't get it twisted. There's more. Right. What you need to do is find out what she wants. Yeah. Find out what she wants, and you provide her with what she wants. Now, here's the trick. The trick is you do not provide her with what she wants unless she gives you what you want. Yeah? It's basically business. Yeah? There has to be some sort of exchange going on. If you don't understand business, let's talk about in work settings, right? Where at the end of the day, an employer will only pay you, or a company will only pay you for the work you do at the end of the week that you worked, or the end of the month that you worked. Do you get it? So you've essentially done what you need to do for work to get that pay. So it's the same thing. She has to do things for you in order for you to provide for her what she wants. However, the catch is she has to come to you. Do you understand? She has to want you. Like, this will not work on women that are not showing you high level of interest or showing you any interest really. If they're showing you low interest, it's not going to work. If they're showing you some sort of interest, then it could work. No, it could work. It will work. All right. And it's about consistency as well. So, if you click the link in the description box below where it says become a member of the Academy Trust, you will get access to online courses such as roles and relationships. That's where you're going to learn how to develop yourself as a thoroughbred alpha male. When you develop yourself as a thoroughbred alpha male, you will know exactly what to do, when to do, and how to do to make a woman fall in love with you just like that. You won't even think about doing certain tactics here and there. You just know what to do naturally. And that's the point. That is the level you want to get to. Yeah? So if you've got any questions, any topics you'd like for us to discuss, leave that in the comment section below. And remember, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification, because you never know, the video you suggest might just be next.